Clutter, clutter, clutter! Do you feel like you have too much clothes around the house? Are all those old electronic stuff getting in the way? Have no fear! Timpuyog Express is here! With excellent delivery services to the Philippines, we can make your clothes and your old electronic equipment disappear! We provide the boxes, you provide the goods, and we'll take it from there. With the Timpuyog Balikbayan Express, your boxes are sure to get to the Philippines from the help of our fun, fast, and friendly staff. Our excellent customer service is guaranteed to put a smile on your face, as well as our great rates and kamaaina discounts. When you need space, Timpuyog Balikbayan Express is the place.